Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to create a CareerJet API key. Click this link to apply. If you do not have an account, create one. Click the Add Website button. Write your website address. Set the country of your activity. Set your expected number of visitors. Write a short description of your site. Click the Submit button. Once your site is added, click Access API. Click this button. Click on Server IP addresses. Return to the plugin settings page. Click this link to view your server IP. Copy the IP. Paste the IP and save. Copy the API key. Return to the plugin settings page and paste the key. Save the setting. Thank you for watching. Plugin link is in the description.